Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Directions. Step 1. Prep the chicken. To start, brine your chicken in a mixture of water and a few tablespoons of salt for about 20 to 30 minutes. Step 2. Season the chicken. When your chicken is done brining, drain the brine and blot the chicken breasts completely dry with a paper towel. Step 3. Bake. Step 4. Rest.
Take our lead.
Rubbing the chicken with a little olive oil before baking helps add moisture to the chicken and also helps the seasonings stick to the breast. I use a very simple seasoning of salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder and chili powder or paprika. Oregano, thyme, or even taco seasoning are also great to use.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
To start, brine your chicken in a mixture of water and a few tablespoons of salt for about 20 to 30 minutes. This will boost the natural flavor and moisture of the chicken breasts and will leave you with a super tender piece of meat. If you're still not convinced, check out everything you need to know about brining here.
Take our lead.
Ever notice how the chicken in stir-fries at your favorite Chinese restaurant is incredible tender? It's because they tenderize chicken using a simple method called velveting chicken using baking soda. It's a quick and easy method that any home cook can do, and can also be used for beef.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.